Today I'm going to show you how I made the tiny origami lily for this Lego figure. But I'll tell you right now, the secret was using toothpicks and tweezers. Here's how I did it. So that's how I made this tiny origami lily for this Lego figure. What other tiny origami models should I make next? Leave your suggestions in the comments down below. Oh, and by the way, my name's Jason. See you again soon.